Okay, so today's question is maximize expression of three elements. The question says you are given an integer array nums. Choose three elements a, b, and c from nums at distinct indices such that the value of expression a plus b minus c is maximized. Return an integer denoting the maximum possible value of this expression. Okay, so this is the question. So question says that we have to choose three elements a, b, and c from the nums, and the elements that we are choosing should be from distinct indices, means different indices, and we have to return an integer denoting this expression. Okay, and our task is to maximize this expression. Okay, so simply if we see the expression says a plus b minus c, right? So if we have to maximize this expression, our task should be that our aim should be that we should be maximize a and b and minimize c, because we are subtracting c, right? So simply for solving this question, the basic approach is to sort the, okay, first of all sort the array. So I will sort the array first. So nums dot begin, nums dot end. So currently the array is sorted in increasing order, right? So if the array is sorted in increasing order, it means that the first element will be the smallest. So the smallest element here we need is c, right? So I will name the smallest element as c, and we will initialize this with nums of 0, and simply int a and b will be simply the last two ones, which will be the maximum ones in the array, right? So of nums dot size minus 1, and int b is equals to nums of nums dot size minus 2. Okay, so these are the last two elements of the array, and simply we'll return a plus b minus c. Okay, so let's see if this works or not. uh let's see. Okay, so the first two test cases have passed. I think it will submit. Okay, yeah, see. So this is what it is. This was very easy question. Okay, nothing to think so much about this question. Okay, there is not any complex thing which is included in the question. I guess everyone would be able to solve this question. Okay, now see, we have solved this question in time complexity big of n log n. Okay, but we can optimize this solution to big of n by just removing this sort. Now if we remove this sort, then our need is to find two maximum elements and one minimum element. So we can find, okay, we can find, right? We can find two maximum element in the array, and we can find one element in the array in big of n complexity. Okay, so I this task is yours. Okay, please try it by your own. Okay, and do comment solution in the do write the solution in the comment section of this video. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.